Devonport Christian School is situated in the beautiful northwest coast of Tasmania, on the outskirts of Devonport. With just over 200 students from kinder to year 6, we are committed to high quality, holistic primary education in a Christ-centred school community. At DCS, we partner with families, build authentic community, pursue excellence by guiding each student along their academic and faith journey. We're extremely creative and playful in the EdTech area, being a leading, innovative school that is committed to our students' contemporary learning. We have known for some time the learning management system would significantly benefit our organisation. Communication, incorporating both management and educational goals to better deliver learning for our students in their class. Enter COVID and the challenges all schools across our nation and globe have faced. We face too. How do we make priority the learning for our students amongst an ever-changing schooling landscape? Whether the students are on site, at school, or at home, our urgency to keep them learning and keep their learning outcomes happening was priority. Why Schoolbox? We trusted them. My previous workplace partnered with Schoolbox, and therefore I knew it was a reliable and efficient learning management system. After a few phone calls with Schoolbox to reconnect, I learned and trusted they still had trust and care for each of their schools that they supported, with a commitment to learning for our students. As a small school, there was a little fear that maybe we couldn't take on such a commitment, such a powerful Schoolbox system. But I knew we were not alone in the deployment. Schoolbox became part of our team. From a small school, we became a super team, with the Schoolbox team members working with us. Our Schoolbox coaches were ready on hand and allowed my team to have additional meetings where they required, and they knew how to support the staff unsure of technology and empower the tech teacher leaders to inspire the rest of the team.
As a primary teacher, Schoolbox allows for learning to be delivered in a way that caters for students' needs. Differentiation can be created in ways that allow for every student to be met where they are along their learning journey. During COVID-19, this platform greatly assisted us to be able to engage our students in curriculum content while learning from home. It provided teachers with a way of tracking student engagement and results and enabling instant feedback.
With a few phone calls and technology setups, we were ready to train and equip our team to set up their curriculum and their classes. It was really important to make sure the course content was there, the learning outcomes were there, that allowed our students to be able to keep achieving the student outcomes.
Schoolbox deployment looked very different for our school. We had our facilitator take our entire learning team through building our Schoolbox via Zoom and Microsoft Teams in just one short week. This meant that each of us were able to collaborate, ask questions, and be extremely practical in taking our curriculum content into an online platform straight away. There wasn't much time to make sure we had the process perfected as such. Rather, we learnt the process by repeatedly uploading our content and making it ours straight away. Opportunities were given for families to be educated about Schoolbox via Zoom, and the school community came on board with the platform, and it is now being used through the whole community for learning and communication. When we were back in the classroom, our 3-4 team has continued to use Schoolbox daily. It is used for delivery of announcements, notices and devotion each morning, and is a central place for learning content to be accessed in a safe and controlled way. It is a platform that I personally enjoy using when teaching, and I'm looking forward to using it to utilise my teaching in the future.
Schoolbox has been a success because it allows our students, our parents and families and the team to all be connected and continue the vision and mission of our school, whether students have been on-site or learning remotely. The future looks bright with Schoolbox at DCS. We'll continue to present learning modules and tasks ready for learning, and continue our communication and connection through the Schoolbox platform. Thanks Schoolbox for linking our community together and for allowing us to learn on.